Hi guys, and welcome back. I am back, and I'm just going to quickly give you an update of what's happening tomorrow. I've been away for some time. Well, a lot of busy things, a lot of projects and so on, and I've also got the flu, if you cannot tell by my voice. And my plan is, by Sunday, I'm going to be showing you how to set your character up, and I'm also going to explain to you what you're going to learn in the upcoming tutorials. And before I do even continue, I would like to apologize for the late tutorials, and I'd like to thank two people. First one, Jawryus. He's made this office stage for me, like a meeting room. It's pretty damn nice, I like it. The lighting works pretty nice, and it's a great stage. And this stage contains a lot of things that we're going to cover it. For example, hacking, open drawers, breaking windows, CCTV cameras. If they catch you, the AI enemies will come up to you, and they're not going to start shooting at you first, because we're going to make it like you work in this company and you found out some bad things about this place and you're trying to hack the system. And the security will ask you, just get out of here, or there'll be trouble, etc. Now that's going to lead to some very, very interesting options later on. I'm not going to tell you right now. And breakable lights, turning lights on and off, blowing up fire extinguishers, and hacking phones. So yes, it's pretty interesting things coming up. Oh, I forgot something. Sorry. Kicking down doors. Breaking the doors, hacking the card readers so doors can open automatically. We can even shoot them down, so if they break, the doors will just open rather than you having to kick it down or anything else like that. And it's gonna be really interesting, finding the card from one of these cabinets or beating someone up to take the card so you can use it in here. And at the moment it's just this itself, but it's gonna be a bigger stage when all the other parts are fully completed. So it's going to be used a lot in my tutorial series right now. And I also like to thank MrBlendersModels. He made a stage for me as well, which I designed for him, and he created it for me. I'm still texturing that. I still haven't got the time to finish it. I don't know why this PC is duplicated. And yeah, as soon as that finished, I'll start using that as well. But for now, I'm going to use this. It's got a lot of things I can use in here, and this will be for sale, but not right now. As soon as I get my website finished, then hopefully. And so basically, I'm showing you what you're going to do tomorrow. So if I go into this guy, as you can see, it looks quite funky with all these boxes. Right, the main target is, when I run the game, this is what I want to happen. So our player is standing still. Okay, that was strange. He's standing still, and if I look up, his body follows and he looks up as well. If I look down, his body follows and he looks down as well. And I can rotate, I can jump, I can walk and whatnot. So yeah, that's what you're going to cover tomorrow. I'm also going to teach you I forgot the name, camera shake, which can be used for recoil, which is a really good thing, and camera rotation like this, so dynamic movement. That's hopefully going to be done by Sunday and uploaded by Sunday as well. So just to let you guys know, I am still making tutorials, and thank you very much for your patience. Sorry about that anyways, and thank you for watching this guys, and I will see you on Sunday.